Hello, AlgoDevs. Welcome back to our programming haven. I'm Yash Balotiya, your guide through the intricate world of algorithms and coding. Today, we have something special in store for you. We'll be diving into the basics of C programming with a focus on printing and taking integer inputs. So, grab your coding gear and let's get started. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future coding tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Our first method is a simple yet fundamental one. We have a C program that prints an integer value. Let's break it down together. Here's our C program. It starts with including the standard input-output library, and then we move on to the main function. Inside the main function, we declare an integer variable, x, and assign it the value 5. Now let's print the value. We use the Printf function to display the integer value. Easy, right? As we run this program, the output will be printing integer value 5. Simple, yet crucial for any beginner C programmer to understand. Now, let's level up a bit. In our second method, we'll take an integer input from the user and print it. This is an essential skill when dealing with interactive programs. Let's check it out. In this program, we start the same way by including the standard input-output library. The main function, as usual, is our entry point. Here, we declare an integer variable num. Next, we prompt the user to enter an integer using the printf function and take the input using the scanf function. Finally, we display the entered integer using another printf statement. This interaction with the user opens up endless possibilities for dynamic and user-friendly programs. Now, let's put these methods into action. I'll demonstrate the execution of both programs and show you the expected outputs. As you can see, method 1 prints a predetermined integer value, while method 2 allows user interaction, making your programs more versatile and engaging. Understanding these basics is crucial as they form the foundation for more complex coding tasks. Alright, AlgoDevs, that wraps up today's exploration of basic C programming. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is Yash Balotiya signing off from AlgoDevs.